I love this place. 1,500 RMB. Do you know what? It's little, but maybe I want big and change, right?
I asked the
House owner.
Qingyuan.
Yes, I want a big one. Can change.
Yeah.
1 year, the contract is for 1 year, and you pay 1 month rent and 2 months deposit. I love this one. To the washing one. I guess
you like.
Yes.
I guess you like.
Now I'm gonna put this down.
Yeah, I guess you like. And the building is very.
Okay. Ooh, you saw that? So when I'm sitting, I'm in high places, my eyes starts to swing. What is this?
There is
camera.
Camera.
Security camera.
And children in home.
Oh, to pay attention, to watch them.
Yeah.
Okay. And these are all new. You get the smell of it.
It's new.
And this is the kitchen. See, still got things around here. New places. Yeah. Like things are still here. Plastic. I love this place. Oh my God. Look at the bed. Like you see everything, the smell is there. Huh? This is new. She's laughing at me. Oh, wow. And 这个多少钱? How much? 1,500 RMB. Wait, I'm on phone. Sorry. Let me find the equivalent. $210 USD. Hey. Yes, the bathroom again. Got a standing shower. Like everything is so clean. Okay? I like that. This other room. Oh, man, it's so little and it's so, it's beautiful. I like the smell. Everything smells brand new. Ooh. And the bedroom. Oh. Okay. This is something. Like you still see the plastic on the bed. Very new.
Sure.
Very new. Very new. So the payment is done. 1 year, the contract is for 1 year, and you pay 1 month rent and 2 months deposit. So the TV, everything with it, right? It's little, but maybe I want big and change, right?
I asked the
House owner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Qingyuan.
Yes, I want a big one. Can change.
Yeah. I know.
Fridge.
Fridge.
Washing machine.
Yeah. I see.
It's not there.
Now we don't have the TV.
We are going to change the TV to bring a bigger one, and also bring a fridge because it's supposed to be here, and a washing machine. Yeah. So those are the 3 things that are absent right now.
3 things.
Yes. And most Chinese homes, when you enter, you don't really bring your shoes and things in the house. So you take them out and just put them here. Your footwear, you enter, you take them out and put them here. And you monitor everything here in this room. But they are so security minded. she made herself available tonight. That's why we had to come in the night. Or like you saw the previous video of in the day, the whole garden, the yard, how it looks like. So that's what's up. Y'all still want to come to see it? Yeah, join me. Don't forget to follow the page. Like, you know. I love you.
Happy